Mu butumwa bwa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwashomwa omuhwezi w'Egyese Arupo yaasiima Kyambogo University ahabw'okufaayo okutama n'okutunguura amashomo ga sayansi ekiworiire abantu kugira obukugu burukumara.
I congratulate all graduates for having made it to this graduation. I commend the Chancellor, Professor John Yakobo Okedi, the Chairperson of the Council, the Associate Professor Fred Wabwire Mangeni, and the Vice Chancellor, Professor Eli Katunguka Rwakishaya, for their leadership in higher education.
President yaashaba Abahinduire emishomo yabo okuba bajwekirwa omu kurwanisa burwenguzi omu byange barikurugamu.
Today's achievement is the beginning of their education journey. Therefore, invest in lifelong learning to effectively contribute to your personal and professional growth, as well as development of our country. The greatest asset available in developing the nation is the people. While depending on the education system, the institutions of higher learning are at the helm of the education system, which generates requisite knowledge necessary for steering the country's development.
Vice Chancellor wa Kyambogo University, Professor Eli Katunguka Rwakishaya, yaasiima abanyamyuga bonna ayitendekyereri okutiita farurahango ahantu ngo Ageihangwe okurabira mu kushomesa ab'egyekiro kyo.
Kyambogo University appreciates the support we receive from government, and that financial support and guidance has ensured smooth operations of the university, which have culminated in this graduation ceremony that we shall have for the next 2 days.
Orikurra kanso wa Kyambogo University, Professor Wabwire Mangeni yaashaba abeegi okukozesa obuhango bubatungire okwinediza entunguuka n'okwebisaho.
Before me in congratulating you for the hard work, the commitment, resilience that you have put into your studies. I know it's not easy. Reading books is not easy. It's only a few who can achieve it, and you have done it. So congratulations.
Warukura Kyambogo University Professor John Okedi yaasiima abeegi n'abazaire okukora emyuga yabo ekibashikize aha businguzi obu.
And please ensure, and I say this slowly, ensure to protect the image of Kyambogo University wherever you will be. You are going to be our ambassadors out there, and please behave and conduct yourself the way you'd be expected, or the way that would be expected of the Kyambogo alumni.
Abeegi 5,158 nibo bajwara kandi omuri aba aboojo 5,157 kandi abaishiki 191 deera bajwara PhD na 23 gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.